Hello, and welcome to the Tentative Tutor channel. How can we add these two fractions? We need a common denominator, which is the least common multiple of both 9 and 30. That's a number that's a multiple of both 9 and 30. We'll list the multiples of 30 and stop when we get a number that is also a multiple of 9. This will then be our least common multiple of both numbers, starting with 30, then 60, then 90, which is also a multiple of 9 as it's 9 times 10. So 90 is the least common multiple of 9 and 30. So we must write both fractions with a denominator of 90. But we'll need to adjust the numerators. How do we do this? We can multiply the top and bottom of any fraction by the same number. So we multiply the left one by 10 and the right one by 3. So that now both fractions have the same denominator. And now we can add the numerators to get our final answer. Thanks for watching.